Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Jen and I'm a self-taught nail enthusiast. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you 7 Amazon products that you absolutely need if you do your nails at home. So stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so let's get started with the biggest product that I have here. This is the VIOZON selfie stand. Now, this thing is $49.99 on Amazon. It has 4 out of 5 stars right now. Now, what I love about this is that not only is it, if I can open it, expandable, but it gets really, really long. And you can shoot from here. And this top part, there's a way to like twist it around so you can shoot like top down. It's got all these amazing features. So basically, let me shorten this. It's gonna whack me in the face. You stick your phone in here, it opens up and pulls out like that. And it has a little remote control that you can control it through Bluetooth. It's rechargeable. This thing has honestly been a lifesaver for filming Instagram videos or TikToks when I'm trying to film like my regular videos. This way I don't have to stop and refilm to do a TikTok. I can just be filming at the same time. So I love this guy. It's got a light on it and everything. It needs to be plugged in to show you the light, but basically it's on both sides and it has 3 different things, so you get like a cool, a white, and like sort of a neutral light. You can literally start recording with this as well and adjust the lights. So for me, it's a no-brainer. This thing is honestly amazing. I found it on my own on Amazon, and now I see people talking about it all the time. As a content creator, I think something like this is like just a no-brainer. You absolutely need to go and like run and buy this. For the next product, I have literally my holy grail nail gel, and this is the MAKARTT nail glue. It comes in a little tube like this. You guys have seen me use this on my channel several times. Right now it's got a little bit of a different packaging, but it's the same exact thing. It's $9.99 on Amazon. It's got 4.1 stars, and that's out of 8,000 reviews. Honestly, I don't have much to say about it other than I absolutely love it. It's the only product I use now for applying my tips. I don't even use like my holy grail of like builder gel anymore. This has taken her place. It's just super easy to use. You squirt it out on your nail, you put your nail tip on. It keeps your nail tips from moving, so you have a lot of leeway when you're trying to like get into the lamp, hold down your nail. You know, there's a lot of like stress I would say when trying to do that and not getting air bubbles, and this totally solves my problem with that. So for my next item, I have 2 different kinds, and these are your nail stands for press-on nails. Basically, this one comes with a little container, and you get your little top piece that goes on it, and of course it's magnetic, so it sits right on top. But for the other ones that you can get, you just get this little bar right here, and the little guy just sticks right on there. I think that these are great for content creators, especially if you're doing press-ons. You are able to paint your nail tips on here and then take them off and put them on. When I'm practicing especially, I love having something like this, and I have also decided that in some of my videos I'm gonna do more of like a press-on style because it's a little bit easier to do certain styles, and it also gives me more leeway with videos. Something like this on Amazon can cost you like $6. The one that I looked at was $6.99, and it had like a 4.8 review on Amazon out of like thousands of reviews. So I mean, they're really simple, easy, and you can find them super cheap on Amazon. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but basically everything that I talk about in this video will be linked down below. I'll also have my Amazon storefront, so you can just go on there and find everything super easy and more stuff that I'm absolutely in love with. So for our next item, I have a KOLINSKY 8 brush that I use for polygel. It's got a nice rounded tip on it. It's super small, easy to hold on to, but I saw this recommended by someone, and I'm so sorry, I can't remember who it was now, but they use this brush for polygel. And I don't know about you, we all know like those crappy brushes that they give us in our polygel kits. They last us once, maybe twice if we're lucky, and then they're thrown in the garbage. This little brush costs $8.99 on Amazon, and it's got a 4.5 review. And in all honesty, it's totally worth it because it cleans, all that polygel comes out, and it is so easy to work with. It doesn't stick, and you can get right up in those little edges because it's so tiny and cute. Okay, on to the next. If you have not heard of this next product, then you must be living under a rock, because it is the MAKARTT Rhinestone Glue. This stuff is absolutely amazing for keeping rhinestones on your nails. It is currently $7.99 and it has 4.6 stars on Amazon. It is so good. I've never had any issues with my gems falling off. I use it, I think, almost every single nail look, and it works for me and I love it. What I love to do is I'll put down a little bit and then I'll use my top coat to kind of spread it out, put my gems on, and then not only do they stay, but my nail is already top coated. I don't have to go back in and like try not to cover up the gems. It works perfectly. Chef's kiss on this one, seriously. So for my next item, it's something a little different. For me, I was using these disposable desk mats, and then I went out and bought one that I could just clean off. It's easy to wipe and it's mess free. Now currently I have a black one on back there because we decided the gray just didn't work for my videos. I needed a little bit more contrast, and so the black one that I have is $11.99. It's the same as this one, just a different color. So it's $11.99 and it had a 4.3 review on Amazon. Again, I'll have a link down below. I think if you are doing nail art constantly like I am, you need something to keep your desk clean, because my desk is filthy and there's nothing I can do to clean it because it's a wooden desk. The only thing that I could do is to resand the top, and honestly I just don't feel like doing that right now, so I bought one of these to save my desk. Okay, so if you don't want something like that, but you also want something that's easy cleanup, you can use these. Now these are called dental bibs. Yes, they are the things that they put on your neck at the dentist office, but they are great. I still use them, and what I love to use them for is when I'm filing and even though I use my dust collector, dust still gets everywhere. So I like to put this down. If I'm using dip powder or acrylic, I like to put this down, and then you just kind of pick it up and throw everything in the garbage. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now these are super inexpensive. I got a 125 pack for $14.99. Now these have a 4.7 review. On the back there's like a plastic sheet so liquids will not transfer through, which is the best part. If you spill something, that's what this is for. You know, it's supposed to catch your drool at the dentist's office, so you know, imagine it just catching nail liquids instead. So I hope that you guys enjoyed all of these products that I picked out to show you. I'm gonna do a part 2, so I'll have plenty more, and like I said, you can go on my Amazon storefront, which is linked down below, and you can see all the other goodies that I enjoy as well. That's it for the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned next week. I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing, which I've never done on my channel, but you guys said you wanted to see that. So it's kind of like what I received in a month sort of caption on time, I guess, of what I got. And I hope you guys enjoy watching videos like that, because I'd love to do more of them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, hit that bell notification before you leave so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys!